بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Inshallah, welcome again to our channel, Ustad Faisal Simplified Quran and Arabic classes. Inshallah, today we are in page 43. We are going to do Dhummah. Inshallah, let's jump into it. طيب. So, al-huruf al-madmuma, letters or huruf which have Dhummah. Remember we said letter in Arabic it's called harf, and the vowels here we call them harakat or ashkal. One is called haraka, shakl, or harakat or ashkal. طيب. ألف همزة ضمة أو. ألف همزة ضمة أو. با ضمة بو. تا ضمة تو. ثا ضمة ثو. جيم ضمة جو. حا ضمة حو. خا ضمة خو. دال with a ضمة دو. ذال with a ضمة ذو. را with a ضمة رو. زا, which is supposed to be having a dhamma here, but unfortunately there's a type it doesn't have, but za with a dhamma zo. Let's assume it's there. Sin dhamma su. Shin dhamma shu. Sad dhamma su. Dad with a dhamma du. Ta with a dhamma tu. Dha with a dhamma dhu. Ain with a dhamma u. Ghain with a dhamma ghu. Fa dhamma fu. Qaf dhamma qu. Kaf dhamma ku. Lam dhamma lu. ميم ضمة مو. نون ضمة نو. واو with a ضمة وو. ها with a ضمة هو. يا with a ضمة يو. طيب. Now let us read it from the beginning till the end, the way we are supposed to be reading it, as easy as possible. طيب, just the sound with the haraka on top of it. U, bu, tu, thu, ju, hu, khu, du, dhu, ru, zu, su, shu, su, bu, tu, dhu, u, ghu, fu, qu, ku, lu, mu, nu, wu, hu, you. Inshallah, مع السلامة. See you in the next half. Inshallah, make sure this is easy so that the rest become easy. مع السلامة. See you in the next half. Shukran. Thank you for watching.